How to turn on or turn off tags notifications on Facebook PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Facebook. This is the home page. Now all what you have to do is simple. Go to the top corner, click right here, click on settings and privacy, click on settings. Now go right here, click on notifications. After you click on notifications, go here to tags. Now as you can see, you can choose who can tag you, or you can turn it off or on from here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end. See you later.